The date is the 13th of May 2025, Friday the 13th. Unlucky for Watchtower, because I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. The time is now 12:55 p.m. and I'm just sending out documents. Well, a 7.99 gigabyte memory stick with a 3-page letter that's going to get the newspapers thinking, and I'm going to send them out. Well, they're being done tomorrow. It's actually well, today is John Nash's birthday. He was in the Beautiful Mind, the movie with Russell Crowe. That was about him and about me, The Beautiful Mind. And then tomorrow's Donald Trump has his birthday tomorrow. So yeah, there you go. This is my black envelopes. Look, they're my black envelopes I'm sending out. I've got 50 there, and then this one's going to the Daily Express, 1 Canada Square, Canary Wharf, London, E14 5AP. So I've just done that. I've just that's my other ones. I'm sending 9 out today by Parcel to Go. Really good website. You can raw mail pick up the parcels. And I say I've just finished and my friend Trish said, coming out, look at these clouds. These are supernatural to mark the occasion. Look.
I never said that.
Oh, didn't you, Trish? There you go. That's the clouds up. That's the cloud.
You'll have to edit that.
No, I can't.
Right, friend.
There, look at these clouds up here. Look at them. That's weird, isn't it? That's over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. That house there is in the direction of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, which is Jehovah's Temple at Jerusalem, or in Jerusalem. And 2.9 miles away is a hamlet without a church called Jerusalem, and it's the only place in Jerusalem, in the UK, called Jerusalem. So we've got clouds in that direction. The azimuth or angle from my house to the entrance of the Kingdom Hall is 200. I think it's 258 azimuth.
Section in now.
There's the clouds. That's over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, and there's some really strange ones over there. And that's in the east. That's in the north. That's northwest. And let's see what's above my house. Yeah, they're a bit strange. Look, right above my house. Sun's above there as well. Look. Oh, just above my window. Look. Operation Mission Impossible: The Final Reckoning, and the movie came out a few days ago. So there we have it, and there's a plane up there. Yeah, but these are definitely supernatural clouds that Jehovah's made to mark the occasion when I order 9 parcels to go, and raw mail pick them up tomorrow. So that should be good. Just one last look. Let's zoom in on this. Oh, a bit odd. And that's the Birchwood Kingdom Hall. They're strange clouds over there. Look. What about over that way? Yeah, a bit funny over there as well. Yeah, all a bit weird. So here we go. So these will all be being sent off. They're the ones that are going off. Look, I've already done these ones. Look, got Channel 4 News, and then we have the Daily Star. Then we have ITV PLC, and then we have BBC Look North, which isn't far away. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. I just showed you the Daily Express newspaper, and then the other ones are on here. And we have the Daily Record, 55 Douglas Street, Glasgow. Then we have the Daily Telegraph, 111 Buckingham Place. 111 was Kingsway, where I used to live in Leicester. Kingsway. And then we have Good Morning Britain. Studio Works 2, second floor. And The Guardian. So that's 9 altogether. I was sending out, oh, there's Cara the dog. I was sending out the Shroud of Turin document, over 100 pages, and it was costing like about 17 to 20 pounds. The full version was it was far too expensive, about 30 pounds. So what I decided to do is put all my information and Bible codes on an 8 gigabyte memory stick, and do it that way. But what I found out was it's an 8 gigabyte memory stick, USB, and at the moment the files add up to 7.99 gigabytes. Well, 799 in Jewish gematria is August the 3rd. It has a value of 799, which is exactly when the Watchtower goes down. 3rd of August 2025. So there we go. That's being sent off. I'm going to do the rest of the labels now. And I bought these, look. 50 envelopes. I thought the black looked good, like a bad omen for Watchtower. And then when I ordered some more memory sticks, they cost about, I think it's about, well, there's I think it's about 30, I don't know, 50, is it £89, £92 for 50, which works out about £1.78, £1.74. So I can get all that information on there. The news media is going to go mad on this stuff. So that's Operation Mission Impossible, The Final Reckoning. Here we go. I'm off now. Bye. The time is now 1:09 PM and I've just come out again, just finished my labels on my parcels, and the cloud's gone a bit more weird again. Look, lines across the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses in Lincoln, UK. I thought I'd just show you that. They're a bit weird up there. Look. It's all a bit strange going on.
Baby, come out the sun. Come on.
And then those ones up there are a bit strange on their own. There we go. Bye for now.